Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to build a biotech that could give an excellent outcome. Now, there are several ways to do that, but I'm going to focus on two main points. The first is capitalizing the company well. What I mean by that is we should not raise too much or too little. If we raise too much money, we end up getting diluted early, giving away a lot of value very early. That also will have an impact on price per share in the future. If we raise too little, we might end up delaying a lot of trials and studies because we might not have the sufficient capacity to fund those studies. That might implicitly destroy value because um, the patent life is fixed. Of course, there are ways to kind of extend that, but mostly the patent life is fixed, and then you will be delaying the trials, leading to delayed launch of the product. Another very important point I would like to focus is thinking long term. What I mean by that is, let's say you start a company and then you think that maybe we are done with preclinical studies and we might find a strategic partner to kind of license out or acquire, or maybe we are, or maybe we conduct phase 1 and then try to get ourselves acquired. The problem with this approach is that you might end up not hiring excellent team members who have a long-term vision and who can think big. You might end up hiring a very average people and try to work on that. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to say that you shouldn't have an exit strategy, but think about it. Let's say you are building a biotech with the aim of getting into phase 3 as well, provided you have enough capacity. Of course, it depends on indications. There are some indications in which it's very hard to raise that much amount of money. However, if you are working on that indication where you could get into phase 3 trials, that exit that you're talking about, the acquisition, will automatically come in the way. And I bet if you look at a lot of examples of such kind of companies who have thought long term, you will see that they had an excellent exit. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.